Hey guys, it's time to do a full review of the Android O, which I've just flashed on my Google Pixel XL. A lot of people are saying it's going to be called as Oreo. We don't really know what the name will be. We don't really know what the version will be, most probably 8.0. Let's start this review with the lock screen. So the major change with this Android O update is, of course, with the notification. They have improved it a lot. So as you can see, I have like 3 notifications. And if I get like more than 3, I will get like sort of an icon of that application notification. So it will be looking like this if I just swipe them up, as you can see. So you're gonna notice these small icons. So you'll be able to see which application notification is down here when you have a lot of applications. So application notification on your lock screen. We also have the way to unlock the phone, of course, and then going into camera, or you can go into Google Assistant. Now you can actually customize the lock screen shortcuts, so which I'm going to show you guys later in this review. So unlocking the phone, of course, we have the pixel UI look. Of course, you can swipe up from anywhere to launch the app drawer, and notice the nav bar buttons. When I open the app drawer, they turn black, and that is something, a bit of a new thing we have with the Android O. Also, taking a look at the notification, of course, again, like I said, when we'll see a lot of notifications, you'll see a bit of small icons here, down here. And of course, with one swipe, you get all your toggles. With a second swipe, it'll expand. And now we have like a small line here, which is for expanding the settings. So that is really good. We have our brightness slider and our ability to customize these quick toggles. So you can of course unlock the system UI tuner by pressing and holding on this gear button. So that is same as the previous nougat. So going into the app drawer, most of the applications are the same, like almost all of them are the same, but they have changed the name for the application that was previously called as download. Now it's called as files. So it's pretty much the same as downloads. As you can see, it will show you your downloads, your recent files, audio, video, images on your phone, but now they just renamed it to the files. If we hold down the display, of course, we have the settings and settings widgets and wallpaper options. Going into settings, you can set up home screen rotation if you want to rotate that. Some normal stuff going on. There's a huge change to the overall settings. We have a huge UI change. The best thing that I liked about these settings is when you go into a certain option, it shows you the most basic and the most important stuff first. For example, in display, we have brightness, wallpaper, night light, which is the night mode thing, and then sleep. And then if you want to check out more options, you have this advanced tab, which shows you more options like your font, your display, your screensaver, ambient display. Same thing if I go into sound, basic stuff first, advanced stuff down here. So it's a really good overall change to the UI. Going into storage, you can see the new look. You can manage your storage. Instead of the about phone, they have added system, which includes the about phone and a couple of other useful options like developer options, system update, resetting your device. So going into about phone, you can see it says Android version O, and this is the logo we have with the Android version O. Some people say that's like very similar to like Google Chrome logo, but yeah, that's that. So a couple of options here. Now going into the system back again and going into system UI tuner. So first of all, you can see that as we have some normal options that were like before, but now we have the option for navigation bar. So now with the Android O, we can customize these nav bar keys. So first of all, we have the layout. You can have it compact, or if you're a lefty, then you can have it on left leaning. If you're a righty, then you can have it on right leaning. So it's going to be really convenient for those people who have small hands. So I'm just going to have it on normal. There's an option for extra left button type, so you can have it clipboard, keyboard, keyboard switcher, or have it on none. And same thing for the extra right button. So quite a lot of changes for the nav bar. And then of course my favorite, which is ability to add customized lock screen shortcuts. So with the left shortcut, you can see I have a lot of quick shortcuts. For example, my favorite would be to launch YouTube with the left one. It also unlocks the phone, and with the right shortcut, I can have it to launch Google Chrome. So now you can see if I quickly lock my phone, as you can see, I can launch Google Chrome, and I can also launch YouTube. So it works pretty fine. Obviously, it is in current beta stage. I mean, it's a developer preview, so you can't expect everything to work flawlessly. But yeah, I mean, for me, it has been really smooth. Like, I haven't seen like a major problem. Everything works fine. Also, when your display is locked like this and you see the notification, you can actually double tap it to wake your phone up and see that notification. You can tap it again to go straight through it. I have to say it's pretty nice, and it is very similar to the always on mode we have with the Samsung devices, but obviously that is like a bit more advanced thing, because I mean, it's always on, it's always there. So, of course, we have a lot of under the hood changes with the Android O. For example, the background limit, which limits the application to not eat up your juice that much, and it's going to give you a more battery, and it's like next level stuff compared to the previous dose on the Nougat. You also get wider color gamut for the applications. If you have a phone like Google Pixel XL, obviously it has a beautiful Quad HD display, so apps will be able to utilize all those colors with that wide color gamut support. There's like a password API support, a new XML font support for developers, so they can change the font with their application, adaptive icons, lots of great under the hood changes with the Android. Of course, like I said, this is a developer preview, not even a beta. So if you want to install it, then you have to download the firmware file and install it manually. So for that, you also have to unlock your bootloader. So I've done that to install it on my Google Pixel XL. So yeah, that is a full review of the Android O on my Google Pixel XL. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.